Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I will be sharing with you some very quick and easy spring DIYs, starting with the first one. I have this sign here from the Dollar Tree. I love that the Dollar Tree put out these different new signs. You don't have to paint them. You can paint them, but you do not have to. They look pretty good as they are. I am just cutting off the jute hanger because I do want to attach it back the longer way, and you can just staple it back in the way they had it, but I'm going to add some hot glue and use one of these craft sticks to keep it secured. Spring is approaching and I want to get me some cute signs and some decor pieces together so that I can start decorating my home for the season. So I'm just cutting off the excess jute cord, and then I'm going to start decorating the sign on the front. Now, the Dollar Tree put out these really cute metal thermometers. I thought these were just so cute. They have different floral prints, and I thought this neutral color one was so pretty, and I thought it would look great as a spring sign. So what I'm going to do is add some hot glue to the back. I'm going to add the hot glue along the sides. You can use some more stronger glue, but I think the hot glue is secured enough for me. And I'm adding along the sides because it's a little bit more raised on the sides, and I want to just keep it secured. So I'm going to press that down, and then I went to my Cricut Joy and cut out the phrase Hello Spring, and I used some black vinyl, as you can see, and I'm just going to add that to the top, and I'm just going to make sure I have it lined up where I want it, and then I'm just going to transfer that over. I think this will be really cute as a front door hanger. So once I get that transferred over, I found these really pretty farmhouse florals from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these. I'm obsessed with these floral picks. And so I'm just going to pull a few off the stems. I have two separate colors. I have that soft pink and I had that off-white, and I just pulled two of them together, different colors, and I'm just taking some jute cord and wrapping it around the stems just to create a little small bouquet. Once I get that wrapped around, I'm going to add some hot glue to tack down the jute cord. I'm going to clip that off, and then I'm going to do the same to the other two pieces I have. And now that I have my two bouquets, I'm going to attach them to my sign. So I'm just going to add some hot glue along the stem, and I'm going to place this one right under the word spring, right on top of the thermometer, just making sure I cover up that little hole that was at the top. And then I'm going to add this one right down to the bottom, and that will be it for this sign. I think this is so pretty. The Dollar Tree did have different floral prints on a thermometers, but I thought this one was really cute, and I hung it on my door, and I absolutely love it. Today's video is part of a collab with some of my talented friends here on YouTube. I'm super excited to be collabing with them to bring you all some spring decor. I'm going to have their channels linked in the description box below, along with the playlist, as well as the host and the co-host of this month collab. Now for the next DIY, I have one of these round wood signs with the beaded hanger, and I thought these were so cute as well. You can paint these also, but I'm going to keep it as is because I love the color. So what I'm going to be doing is creating another little simple spring sign. The Dollar Tree put out these really pretty little felt flowers, and I am going to be using 3 packs of these. I'm going to take them out of the pack so you can see how they look. They are really pretty, and they also have the felt leaf that's attached to the flowers. They have like a light green and like this dark green. I went to my Cricut Joy and cut out Welcome Spring, and I'm just going to find my placement on my sign and then transfer that over. This sign will be really cute as a door hanger as well, or just a really pretty sign for your home. So once I get that transferred over, I am going to add all of my leaves to my sign first before I add my florals. So as you can see, I'm just finding placement for them. And then once I get my placement, I'm going to start attaching them using some hot glue. After I get all of the leaves attached, then I'm going to go on top of the leaves and start attaching my flowers. If you are coming over from the playlist or from my other lovely friends' channels, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for supporting our channels and this wonderful collab. And after finish watching my video, if you haven't already done so, make sure you check out the playlist in the description box below and check out the host and the co-host channels. I'm sure you're going to enjoy their videos and what they created, because everyone is just so talented, and I'm so grateful to be amongst these ladies. So I'm just adding the last two to the bottom of the sign, and that is going to be it for this. This was really simple, but I think it came out so pretty. And with these signs, if you do not have a Cricut, the Dollar Tree does have letters. You can pick up some letters from Hobby Lobby or Walmart, or you can pick up some really nice stencils and still create this sign. Now this next sign is really simple and cute. I'm using one of these little metal signs with the jute hanger from the Dollar Tree as well. And then the Dollar Tree have this little pack of jars. It's a 4-pack, and they have the little tops, the little metal tops, but I'm not going to be using those. I'm only going to be using 3 of these jars, and I am going to be removing the lids. Once I get the lids screwed off, I am going to use some hot glue to attach these 3 jars right to the center of the sign, and I'm going to make sure that they are right up against each other. So I did pick up some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I have one that says home on it, and then another smaller buffalo check ribbon. And I'm just measuring how much ribbon I want to use, and then I'm going to cut 3 strips. One of the home that I'm attaching right in the center by adding hot glue on each side. And then I cut 2 small strips of the buffalo check, and I'm going to add 1 strip to the bottom of the previous ribbon and 1 on the top, just adding some hot glue on each side to tack it down. This was a really simple sign, but I think it came out so cute. So now I'm just going to add my last piece of ribbon, and then I'm going to be using some more of those really pretty farmhouse florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these. I'm just going to pull off 4 stems. I'm going to get my little wire cutters to help me clip them down. If you see these in the Dollar Tree, please pick them up. They are just so cute. I don't know how much you can tell from the video, but these are absolutely adorable, and they had a few different colors. So I'm just going to add these into each one of the jars, making sure that I just have them fluffed out, and that will be it for this cute little sign. I'm actually going to hang it on my little hook where I keep my keys, and I absolutely love it. Now I have another one of these signs here from the Dollar Tree. It's just a different color, and I'm going to keep it just as is. And of course, I always pick up these wall decals from the Dollar Tree, and I love this one that says instead pray about it. I absolutely love it. Really simple sign. I'm just going to add this right on the sign and make sure that I have everything pressed down and secured. I have used these decals in many videos for different signs because I absolutely love it, but I think the floral on here is perfect for the spring. And so once I get that down, I'm going to take some Mod Podge to secure the sticker to my sign, and that will be it for this. This is a really quick way to make a sign. I absolutely love this decal. I love the spring florals that's on here, and it's just such a quick way to bring spring into the home, and it's so inspirational. So after the Mod Podge dries, that will be it for this sign, and I love the simplicity of it. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And remember, today's video is part of a monthly friend collab that's hosted by the beautiful and talented Liana, and she have co-hosts for this month, and I'm going to have all of their channels linked in the description box below. And don't forget to check out the playlist. Thank you all again, and until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.